Lindelof. Wilhelmsen. Here's Tamudo. And they still have it. Capdevila. Something desperately now, and you can see it in the way they're approaching their play. Can the strikers at last do something with the ball? Firm challenge coming in. Ljungberg. Strikes it from distance. Well, it was a tricky shot, but the keeper handled it well. Stopped him well there. Capdevila. Tamudo. Xavi. Slides a pass into the open space. This looks promising. In the box. Dealt with the threat well. Wilhelmsen. Ljungberg. Wilhelmsen. Goes to ground, but the referee simply waves play on. Luque. Now a chance. Wonderful defending. Approaching the hour mark. Ball given away, and the ball's out of play. Looks to change things around here. Defender quick to see this one. One there, Tamudo. Luque. Into space, and a chance! Not a bad try, perfect accuracy.
That completely fooled the defender. He didn't even take a touch, just allowed the ball to run before shooting. He deserved better.
Mellberg. Looking for some open space. Sighted goal here. Luque. No, finish not there. Wide of the post.
That's poor defending really. Not to close someone down who's clearly intent on shooting, particularly when he might be on target next time.
Luis Garcia. Stopped the attack well. The atmosphere inside this ground bordering on the frenetic. Opportunity down the left side. There's a chance to get a cross in. Not the most attacking piece of play, but a back pass always useful. And Vinderot. And Ibrahimovic. Yep, offside there, to the massive relief of the opposition defenders. Here's Mellberg and Vinderot. Here's Wilhelmsen. They get the ball back. Caught offside, absolutely no question about that one. Right decision. Xavi. Sends it in early. Header! It's there! The lead potentially now decisive. They worked it until they had a spare man. And didn't he take it well? Resounding finish.
Firing it in early like that fooled everyone, except the goal scorer. He was fully aware what was going on and pounced on the opportunity, leaving his marker completely stranded. Forward, desperately looking for the equaliser. You can't blame the manager though, it was the right decision. It just didn't work in his favour this time.
Xavi. Wilhelmsen. We're into the last 5 minutes. Hansen. Well won there. A poor attempt at the pass. Wins possession to stop the attack. There. 1 minute being shown on the board. Possibilities beckon. The final whistle. The result has matched their outstanding display today. They've won this game in such a convincing manner, and the fans will be absolutely delighted with the result, I feel.